Last time on plane spotting at Aurora Municipal Airport. Alright guys, I am really sorry. I had to take an Instagram shot here. Alright, so here's one last look at these two aircraft. I'll zoom into the red one. Please let me know. Here, I'll try to keep the camera still. Maybe they can get a focus here. Let me know in the comments section what aircraft is this. I know I got fans that do know what these are. Please let me know. I'm really curious. It is not a Cirrus, I don't think. Okay, so there's a lot of Cessnas out at Luminaire here, guys. So glad I have this camera back, guys, because this is an excellent camera, the big DSLR. There it is. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, we may try to get a, oh crap. Guys, hold on, I'm gonna put my iPhone in my pocket, hold on. Sorry for the fence being in the way, folks, I really am.
To predictability, the milkman, the paperboy, evening TV. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone.
Ladies and gentlemen, guess where we are? Day 2. We have arrived at Aurora Municipal Airport. The only reason I'm here is because I literally have nothing to do. And I thought to myself, you know what? Why not? I haven't been here in a while for my fans. And I've decided to come back and make another video. There are some new aircraft out today, so we're going to go around the school. Yeah, we're going to go take a look at what's going on. I think I'm going to go ahead and we'll check out the weather. It is currently cloudy in Chicago right now. Let me just close this up. And let's take a look at the weather in Chicago today. Yeah. So, guys, looking at my iPhone 10, here we go, day 2 of the plane spotting. It looks like it might storm, guys, or it might get ready to storm, so we're not going to be here too long. But we're going to be here for just a little while for you folks on YouTube. So here we go. Right now, it has a 50% chance at 4 o'clock of rain, but then it says it's just going to be cloudy the rest of the time, so I think we're going to be okay to be here for a little bit to plane spot for the fans on YouTube. So we're going to have a normal agenda today. We're just going to look at each flight school just like this, and I'll have my iPhone 10 and I'll take more Instagram photos. Again, this was unexpected, guys, so this video might not be as good as I thought. So it is unplanned and unexpected. So again, if it's not great, I want to apologize to all of you folks on YouTube. But I have my backpack over there, but I'm thinking I'll leave it in the car. Or actually, I'll bring it with me just because I got to stick my car keys. But so this is what the weather looks like as of right now. So this is going to be episode number 7, guys. So we're going to hurry up and get out in case if the weather does get kind of weird. So yeah, let's get started here at Aurora Municipal Airport. Hope you enjoy the episode. Sorry about that. I really am. Alright. This is an aircraft that wasn't here yesterday. Multi-engine. I'm going to take an Instagram shot of it real quick, so hold on. Alright, we are back with yet another part, guys. So, wow, it's getting really nasty out here. It's getting really windy. Guys, we're actually going to do the agenda differently today. We're going to go from Luminaire, which is here. We're going to go down there because I hear a plane. So we're going to do that in just a minute. But let's just look at Luminaire's aircraft right now. There's that. I think you guys have never seen that. Can't read its tail number because it's kind of blocked. experimental aircraft. If you guys on YouTube happen to know what that is, let me know. But I think my friend said it was experimental. The red one, 540J. And then there's some Cessnas right there. Wait, there's that blue aircraft. I think somebody owns it. Oh, a plane just took off. Okay, I guess we may be able to do a plane spotting video today. That's great, because I really like making these. But yeah, I think that red thing is an experimental aircraft. Guys, look! Guys, if it starts raining, I have to go. I feel droplets coming down. We're gonna go to Simply Fly now. We're gonna make the agenda different. I already feel rain coming. Guys, I'm not even kidding you. This camera is not waterproof. So we may have to switch over to the other one. I'm starting to feel rain. Holy cow. See, but you know what? This is perfect. I hear a jet. I hope you guys can hear it too. Simply Fly is so cool. If you guys want to know more about Simply Fly, I guess I can leave a link down in the description. That is my current flight school. And for those of you that don't know, guys, oh my god, another plane just took off. You'll see it in just a sec. Woo! Originally, I didn't think there was going to be any aircraft out today. There's this one right here. Can you guys see it? That jet seems freaking loud. Okay, guys, I'm really sorry. We're going to go look at that aircraft, okay? I'm hoping to get enough footage today. So I'm going to be here for exactly 1 hour, guys. And then I think I'm going to leave. Because I think in an hour they said it was going to start raining. Oh my god, what is that rattling noise? Guys, I feel freaking rain. Oh shit, shit. Guys, I'm serious. I may have to switch the camera in just a sec here. Guys, we're gonna make the switch right now. I literally feel raindrops and I don't want to damage my camera. So let's switch right now. Oh my god. Okay, we have now taken over on the waterproof camera, folks. It is actually raining out here. Oh my god. I'm gonna get soaked. I may have to go in my car for a little. Oh shit, it's raining. Ah! Good thing I brought my waterproof camera. It's helpful. Oh my god. Ah, quit the rain. Quit the rain. Go away, rain. Go away, rain. Oh. Let me stay under these trees. Sorry for the poor quality video, folks. I really am. Holy sh... That's the plane making that noise. A little jet making a big noise. Let me go under here, guys. Wow. Oh my god, guys, I think I'm gonna go in my car. Holy shit. I may get a quick instant. Guys, we're gonna have to go to my car. It's getting bad out here. Oh my god. Is there any, like, Remos out? No. Alright, guys, there you go. Alright, guys, it is starting to rain. See, if that plane's having a takeoff, why is it standing there? That doesn't make any sense. Oh my god, guys. Holy cow. This is crazy. Oh, I just got water in my eye. Oh my god. Alright guys, I know you can't hear me right now, but I'm gonna literally head to my car. Whoa! Whoa! Did you guys freaking see that? Whoa! That's a freaking ass steep turn. Holy shit! That's freaking steep. Holy cow. Sorry for swearing. I really am. Oh my god, I want to use my other camera. Oh! Hey, wait up. Guys, look at that storm down there. That's crazy. Whoa. see that aircraft? It did a really steep turn. Oh my god, there it goes again. That thing does like a 90-degree turn or something. That is steep. Whoa! Wow. Seriously, that's... You know what, guys? Let's wait for that aircraft. Guys, let's wait for that aircraft. This is the one with the steep turns. Watch it, guys. Watch it. Look at that turn. You guys think it's steep? I think it is pretty steep. It might be an aerobatic. Let's just follow it. Because I need footage here. Let's wait here for that red aircraft, guys, okay? Whoa! There's that. Oh my, did that thing just fly upside down? Holy fuck! Did you guys see that plane did upside down loop? I think my camera caught that. Holy fuck. That plane just flew upside down. I'm not even joking. Oh my... I'm not even joking with you folks. That plane just flew upside down. I'm not even freaking joking. I hope my camera caught that. If my camera did catch it, God bless this camera. That's all I gotta say. Oh my god. That was fucking scary. Holy shit. I cannot believe it would do like a loop-de-loop or whatever the hell that thing's called. Oh my god. Fudgesicles. Whoa! Holy you guys see that? Oh my god. Camera, focus your... Oh my god, look at the steep turn. Folks on YouTube, I hope you are seeing that right now. If my camera will focus. That is so freaking cool. Oh my... Holy fuck. Holy shit. Let me get a better shot here, folks. That is definitely a scary aircraft. I cannot perform that maneuver. I'm gonna go in the grass. I don't care right now. Oh, jeez. You're freaking kidding me right now. Are you... Whoa! Guys, we're not gonna go to the JA side. I think this is... Whoa! Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that freaking turn. Whoa! Guys, I'm gonna make a reservation for myself, okay? That one's just a regular aircraft. This is actually cool. I think I'm gonna hang out over here today. Oh my god, let's go closer. I think I'm allowed. I've done this before. I've actually went over there, so I shouldn't get into trouble. Wow. Alright guys, we're gonna cut here because my camera's starting to run out of battery. So, I mean, it's getting long, so we'll be right back. There's no day to take some Instagram photos. Oh my god. Now this is cool. This one's gonna take off. Come on, plane. Let's go. That's the one that went upside down, I think. Maybe not. What are you doing? Wow. Alright, this video will be titled Loop-de-Loops or something, because I saw a lot of aerobatics going on today. Even on a rainy day, there's still aircraft out, which I think is kind of cool. Wow. I hope my camera won't get damaged, guys, because it is starting to rain again. that plane parks, guys, I think I'm gonna take a Instagram shot. So I'll be quiet now so you guys can see it. Hopefully, guys, hope for the best my camera won't get damaged because it's raining. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna get sick. Guys, I'm gonna have to cut here for a second. I'm gonna take a quick shot, so I'll be right back. Oh, the jet. Woohoo! Wow! Look at that, people. Ah! The rain. Oh my god. Wow! Guys, this camera's gonna get damaged. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. I'll stay here. But I'm gonna take a break because it's getting really rainy out here. Oh my god. Bye, jet! Oh, I'm gonna get sick out here. But you know what? That's how much I love YouTube so much, where I will do it for any type of weather. I wonder what's going on over there. Oh, there it goes. There it goes for shut off. Oh my god, guys, it is getting really nasty out here. And I literally just... Guys, I'd go over there to JA, but it is a walking distance and I don't want to go out there. There is another plane getting ready to land right there, I think. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. It is raining, so it's kind of hard to see. I think... Oh, it starts shaking. It's coming this way. Can you guys see it? It is shaky. I'm sorry. Alright guys, I have to go in my car after this, I swear. I'm really sorry. I really am sorry. I don't know if that plane's gonna land or not. Oh jeez. Sorry guys. Yeah, my camera's starting to lose focus here. It's not good. The plane just touched down over there. Oh my goodness. Yeah guys, if I had a flight lesson, I'm pretty sure my instructor would have canceled. Oh my god, guys, I have to get to my car. Guys, I have to run to my car. It's getting bad. Alright, guys, I'm going to run to my car right now because it's getting really bad. Luckily, I'm not parked far. Guys, I'm going to cut here before my camera gets damaged, so we'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm currently inside my vehicle right now. So I may be able to do some plane spotting in the car because I forgot that I'm in the car now. So if I see any aircraft take off, I can point the camera like this and we can still get a pretty good video. I do have my wipers running, guys. So then that way we can keep the windshield clear for you guys. So the red aircraft that was like right here, guys, has left. So if we give it a few minutes, we may be able to see it take off from this car. So we'll give it a few minutes. My car is currently, literally my car is turned on right now just because I need the wipers to be working. So yeah, that's my wipers if you guys are wondering. I just don't want to hold the camera. I'm going to point the camera that way for a little while because I know the plane might take off, but I don't know. Can you guys see that? Whoa! What the hell is that thing? Whoa. Shit. Yeah, I'm sorry for swearing earlier, guys, about, like, seeing the plane go upside down made me swear. I'm so sorry. That's not like me. You guys see that? Hey everybody, what's going on? It is Maria Heidos, and I got back from the airport like a few hours ago and I totally forgot to make the outro video, so personal apologies. Sorry for not getting too much footage, and I want to apologize to all of you for swearing in the video. I mean, When I saw that plane literally fly like upside down, it totally freaked me out. And I'm like, oh my God. Like, yeah, it was pretty scary even though I was on the ground. So I want to apologize to you guys. I know that for some people swearing can be offensive or something like that. So I'm very sorry if there's any young viewers here. I'm very, very terribly sorry. So please forgive me. I usually try to make these videos professional, but again, I mean, like I said, this video was unplanned. It is edited, but it is unplanned. So, very sorry, guys. Anyways, I'm thinking to go back to Aurora Airport for another plane spotting video on May 26th, 2018. That's when we will shoot episode number 8. Unfortunately, guys, I can't talk. Unfortunately, guys, there is no flight lesson until June. Like, I feel very, very bad for that, but yeah. So I will definitely keep you posted on how that's going. So next plane spotting episode is May 26, 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed these last 2 days of plane spotting at Aurora Municipal Airport. I will see you guys in about a good, like, 2 weeks from now. Hope all of you have a great week. And, yep, see ya.